Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Reolink NVR no HDD detected error or HDD blinking red light in 2026. So in order to fix this particular issue, the very first thing that you need to do here is to simply perform a quick refresh. For that, first of all, you need to turn off your NVR completely, then unplug it and wait for about 1 minute. After 1 minute, you just have to power it back on. Now, sometimes the system fails to detect the drive automatically. So if the error still shows, you can just simply move to the hardware checking. For that, you just have to simply open the NVR carefully. Check if the hard drive cables are properly connected, including the power and the SATA cable. If anything is loose, simply reconnect it securely. A loose cable connection is very common cause of this particular error. Now after doing so, you just have to go to the NVR settings, and here you just have to look for the option of storage or HDD management. Now if the drive is detected but there is no active, you need to select it and initialize or format the HDD. This prepares it for recording. Finally, if the drive is still not detected or keeps blinking red, it may be faulty or incompatible. So in that case, you can try another supported HDD in order to confirm the issue. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.